Vlogging. We are.
Jacob, he watched your vlog and he's like, I'm in it. Why would I watch it? I was like,
Because
I was part of it. I lived it. I didn't watch it.
I watched it like 16 times while editing.
Well, yeah, you know.
We're not breaking the law. I promise. Thanks for letting us know. Alright people, we are on our hike in Little Cottonwood Canyon. Looks good. We'll see. Let's hopefully not die. Trail. Yeah?
a little bit.
Just a little bit. Feels good. A little bit. Toby. You know. Yes. Shit going on. Like, come on. If this isn't Blair Witch, I don't know what is. We gon' die. But this one hasn't even seen Blair Witch Project, so, you know. Ashamed. How dare he. We're going real off-roading. These are my gym shoes. Yeah, we're not gonna run into any hobos like yesterday. Jacob, what are you doing? Go. My hands are full. I got things happening.
Mommy! What? Where? What do you guys think? It looks good. I like it.
We're doing that. R.I.P. in peace.
Rest and rip.
Are you ready?
Sure.
You don't seem too ecstatic about this.
Well, you know.
If I fall and die, will someone bury me? You're just gonna leave me to rot. The one thing about Utah is you can always count on the mountains being fucking gorgeous. Alright, let's do it. What type of rocks are these, Jake? Are they sedimentary? Well, at least Toby got this. I don't know how I'm gonna get down.
Very carefully.
Like, someone might have to carry me. You guys see the view? Holy shit. There is a couple and another lady taking pictures up there, like professional pictures. So we're like, let's not bother them.
This out there at this pizza day. You know this is gonna come here.
Yeah.
It looks so nice though. Like, it's so beautiful. I definitely didn't just ask what Izzy thought if a boulder just fell and crushed us. Don't worry about me, guys. Totally healthy.
Definitely didn't question her sanity either.
No, it's fine. Are you having a good time? And Jake on Facebook. Proud of you.
Antisocial.
Yeah.
As you're gonna clip it on Snapchat. How dare you? I'm
I
kidding.
mean, I got him on Snapchat while he was sleeping, so.
That's true. It was a good picture. It's still party, guys.
Nice. Look at me.
So?
Look at all these little bits of rock.
Smile.
Good smiling. Hey, there are the people up there taking pictures. I totally didn't just get them in my shot. Uh-huh.
We're like sitting outside,
Smearing
and it's nice, and it's
Yeah.
noisy inside, and all of a sudden
Noisy
this
outside.
Asian lady comes and, hey guys, what's up? Is it alright if I sit next to you, sit right here? And I'm sitting here, the Asian lady sits like right here.
That's exactly what Jake did too.
I'm like, sup?
Where was Izzy? Right here.
Right,
sitting at the same
table. We were sitting at a table and it's against the wall, so I was sitting like this against the wall looking at the circle, and the lady came up and, is it alright if I sit here?
Sure.
Yeah?
She was nice enough.
I mean,
Other seats you could take other than right next to me, but sure.
she saw your PlayStation hat.
So he's getting like your hat. Where'd you get it? Are you like a pro gamer or something? No, I got it at Spencer's. Oh, well, what kind of games do you like? What's your favorite game? I was
Like, I'm married. He is.
well, yeah. I was like, clearly she thought I was something more than I actually was with the
Same.
PlayStation hackers or something. I don't know. She was-
Clearly, if you wear a hat
Maybe
with like
she
game
was-
system
maybe she
logos on them, you have to be a professional gamer.
We were at a bar.
We were at a bar.
It was fun.
Was Tilly's birthday the night that I yelled at Matt for what you did?
What?
No,
What did I do?
no, it was not.
How do you not know my birthday?
My gosh.
That's my question.
11 freaking o'clock at night on a school
Oh
night.
yeah, this.
Oh.
Up and down the street over and over and over. Oh,
You
no,
did it.
you
You
did
did
it.
it more than
You
once.
did it.
I did it once. You did it a second time. And then Ian did it a third time when he left.
7 in the morning when I leave for school.
I'm just saying. So your dad and I had a discussion, and I said that we need to have a rule about it is quiet at 10 o'clock on weeknights, 11 on weekends, and Mikey said no, 9 and 10. That means no fire, no music out there, no ripping up and down the street in loud automobiles. We have
It was a
neighbors.
motorcycle.
We have to live here.
It's not. an
Whatever it is, it was too loud to
Go
be
on,
doing
finish
that
the story.
over and over and over.
That's the end of the story.
It was not.
This is how we all feel when you interrupt.
I know.
What's
Okay, where I get it from?
What's the rest of I got it from my mother, so what's the rest of the story? And by the way, you know that Sunday's Mother's Day.
What are we doing? Jake,
Macintosh is
At
4:30.
4:30, but then I asked you and you said your mom wanted to have dinner, so I didn't really
Yeah.
know where that left us.
well, I'm sure if I asked Mom, we could do an early lunch. She just wants you to sit there and be a part of the family for a minute and not in the living room playing your games.
Get her a card or
Do you
something
get paid right
nice.
this right Sunday?
I might get paid Saturday.
Okay, if you get paid
They
Saturday. we
have
can go
Mother's Day
outside,
cards
I
at the
guess.
dollar store, so
I know.
at least
I
do
got paid
something.
$120 less than I thought I was going to get.
Because you got it like 10 hours.
$1. Anyway,
I could
tell the
have-
rest of your story.
Anyways,
You're the one distracting him.
you
Just
are.
Is she filming this story?
I'm sure
She,
Yeah.
she started a
Oh,
vlog.
we started vlogging, so.
Don't worry, you're not in the shot.
vlogging. It's a vlog. Not
I look
Anyways.
fat in every picture. Right?
Oh.
It's not
Weird.
You're fine.
You're grounded from Mother's Day.
a PlayStation game or Xbox game or game in general, because I'm wearing a PlayStation hat, but I don't really play PlayStation anymore. Or I've only played it back in the day. I'm like, well, Crash, like my favorite PlayStation games, like the whole Crash Bandicoot and Jak and Daxter series. It's like, oh, that's cool. I like Crash and Bandicoot. I like Destiny and Fallout personally. They're really fun games. Like, I've never played either of those.
Either one.
Cool. Cool. Do you guys have a lighter?
No.
No,
No.
take your smoke somewhere else.
Yeah. I'm like, oh,
She lit it right next to
Jake.
Jake.
Jake
like, cringed.
Cigarettes. I freaking hate it.
I haven't got a cigarette in like 2 months.
It's true, he's been good about it.
Good.
Not the lady that sat next to you, though.
Yeah. So about 5 minutes later, we left.
Yeah.
We did.
Yeah, but what about the vape? Because I've seen that more recently than 2 months.
Well, yeah, that's how I quit smoking the cigarettes.
Doesn't get as much nicotine from it.
It's
as the,
barely
crack
any.
from it either.
Barely any.
I feel like you should just go to no nicotine and do it.
I think you should not vape or smoke or anything.
Yeah.
Of course, I also think you should not tattoo. So,
Tattoos are great.
and I think you should go to church, and I think you should,
Go to your nephew's baby.
Go to church!
listen with your eyes and your ears to Shiloh.
Right in the eyeballs. You burn out.
I mean, I could go
Okay,
do
but
a
it is now
burnout.
after 10 on a
So-
school night, so
It is.
I mean, I could go do a burnout right now.
Love you, Mom.
Oh, by the way, my birthday is only 2 days after theirs. I don't know why you don't know this, but I'm only 2 days younger than them.
that's amazing.
I know. We've known each other since the womb.
The womb.
Pretty much.
I know.
It's a little freaky. Isn't
It is. It is a little weird.
I thought it was really funny how about time your mom didn't believe us when we said
Allowed to film in Walmart, in case you guys didn't know that.
Says who?
It says Walmart.
Fuck yeah. I'm doing it anyway.
Exactly.
Dance in the background.
So we're here for a headset.
Headset.
And apparently other stuff. Someone got a cart.
Cart! I feel like we're in the wrong place for
Wrong about
headsets. You know.
You know, it's a store.
Yeah, good choices.
Keep you updated. Did we find it? I found it, guys.
Did you?
Don't worry.
Proud of you.
Let's go. Let's find it.
My boss personally gave me a ride home. So here I go.
Did they now?
Good for you.
Balls.
You want one of those?
Was it you? Was it me? Was it you? They have a football. Sorry, I got distracted.
The wall.
Football. Not the Legos, because Jacob is here for that.
God,
Sweet,
no.
I won.
Ooh. I don't like Barbies. Sorry.
Barbies. Ooh, stuffed animals.
Aminals. Why are there so many employees? Some gaggles. Bike stuff. Do you ride bikes?
Finding Nemo, I want.
They're no fun toys. You want to ride a bike?
This was like tires.
Mm-hmm. Here's nothing fun. Sorry, guys.
Ooh, scooters. You can scooter down.
Scoot, scoot. Vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. If anything, just for this cute little guy. Alright. See you next time.